Tim, we're here with TLC Pressure Washing, and we're out at this home. It's just around the road for us, so it wasn't a very long job to get to. Our minimum can be a little fluid because, 5 minutes down the road, maybe an hour if that. But they wanted us to do the bottom here, which we did. I used some little bit of Dawn to pull up the grease, and you got to be real careful when you're dealing with asphalt because asphalt's an oil-based product. So you can really screw up asphalt very easily. I don't like doing asphalt, but every once in a while. But the top was just like filthy. I'll show you some pictures. But now it's like bone white. And because it's such a small job, instead of getting out my big, booster pump, I just made a pump up sprayer with some Red Raider, which is a degreaser, a little bit of bleach, a little bit of water, and boom, sprayed it, let it go, rinsed it once, hit it again in spots. And the second time, what I missed, because if I'm using like a booster or something where I get a good flow coverage, it never miss anything. But when you're doing a pump up sprayer, sometimes you're going too fast, trying to do a circle technique, so you miss stuff. So once I rinsed it, I can hit what I missed and it disappears. Rinse all this down, boom, beautiful white, snow white, looks like brand new, looked awesome. It looked bad. It had bug and guts and bug poop, and it had just everything on it, and now it looks like they had just put it up. The vinyl was really dirty from the spin up of dust and stuff. Here's a spot I missed. So that's how dirty this whole thing was. And I'll spray the top because I got a little bit left, so I'll get rid of it on that. And then boom, done. 10 more TLC Pressure Washing, Murfreesboro, Tennessee.